Hey, for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to move a zero-turn mower that will not start. These mowers have a locking mechanism that keep them from moving, even when you put them in neutral. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put the key in, and don't exactly start it, but get it where it's ready to start. Then, you see these pins in the back? There's a pin on the right. Pull it all the way out, just like that, all the way. Now that the mower's in start mode, pull that pin all the way out as well, and pull it to the left where it locks in place. Make sure they're just like that. That one's okay, and that one's okay. Now the next thing we need to do is pull both handles in, just like this, making sure your mower is in neutral. Now the mower should be movable. Here we go. And the mower moves. So that's how to move a zero-turn mower that won't start. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share, and leave your comments below if this helped. And the link is below if you would like to show support. Peace. Signing out from this video.